Welcome back to another hair tutorial. If you want to get salon results at home, make sure to keep on watching. This video has been a long time coming. I wanted to do this video for you guys for so long, but I just have not had the time to edit it. This is my curly to straight routine, so I hope you guys enjoy and you learn something from this. Starting off with washed and blow dried hair, I made sure to stretch it overnight. We're going to add the Dream Coat from Color Wow. When using the Color Wow products, you really want to make sure that all the strands are covered. So make sure that you're using a detangling brush to evenly distribute the products along all your hair strands. To activate the product, we need heat. So I'm using my Slope Hill blow dryer, which has 3 settings: cool, low, and high. Using the blow dryer on a low, I am taking my detangling brush to remove the rumples from the braids while also making sure there are no snags in my hair. If you're not someone that is a great blow dryer like me, you can just hold this in place using the tension method to start off, and then from there hold the brush in the hair as you pull away from the scalp, just allowing the blow dryer to take its course and moving it down the hair shaft. Once you get to your press process, I'm using the iChi flat iron, which I've had for about 5 to 6 years. I don't go over my hair with more than 400 unless I'm getting it professionally styled, but when I'm at home doing my own hair, I only go 390 instead of allowing so much heat to be on the hair. When flat ironing, I will do 2 to 3 passes on my roots because I find if I don't properly get my roots, my hair will not last. My actual hair strands only require 1 pass. Our goal is healthy hair over anything else on this channel. You want to make sure you're taking small sections to help with movement of the flat iron, and the overall look of the press will be better with smaller sections. After a couple years of straightening my hair, whether it be on wigs or on my natural hair, I decided to use the chase method. I felt it gives me the flattest look when trying to achieve a silk press. If you guys have been following along from this point, I'm going to speed up the clips so you guys can see the full process on the last section. So I wanted to mention or note that if you guys really look at the ends of my hair, I recently had my hair layered, so that is why it looks a little bit choppy because of the layers growing out. So that is why I opted to put in curls. So if you want salon results, you will want to use Heatless curlers, which we will leave in overnight. I will be linking these rollers in the description box below if you guys want them. Make sure to comb through the sections before adding the rollers. To create volume, the front roller will go away from the face and the others will be rolled toward the face or whatever your preference. If you want a tutorial on the rollers, comment below to let me know. The next morning, you want to gently remove the rollers, don't rip them out. I like to do a flip and shake to bring out the volume. After, you can fix the curls in whatever part you like and fluff or separate the curls. I hope you guys found this helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe for more hair tutorials. Comment what you would like to see next. To end off the video, I'm just going to show you guys the finished results after removing the curlers and let them sit for at least 6 to 8 hours overnight. This is the early morning, but as I said before, I do flip and shake, and then once I come up out of it, I just allow the hair to fall where it is, and from there I just separate from where I would like to part. I usually only do a middle part when I'm doing a style like this because I want that blowout look on the top to allow the hair to fall in its layered state. My last tip is just to not manipulate the hair too much when you're trying to get that perfect part. Allow the fingers to curl around the hair to reset it. Whatever you got to do to make the hair look good. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments about the finished look.